Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Citibank to the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to keep better track of your finances and you use Citibank. How do you actually go ahead and connect your Citibank account to the NerdWallet app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, click on the three lines. Next, click on Financial Info. Then click on Linked Financial Institutions. Next, click on Add Your First Account. And then from here, it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services. So accept those. Then click on Continue as Guest. Then click on Citibank. So on this page here, it's going to ask you to log into the Citibank account. And once you're logged in, you just need to select which accounts you want to be connected with NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Citibank with the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.